How to make solder paste work better. Freshly received solder paste, when stored for an extended period, will gradually separate into two components: the solder paste itself and the solder particles. This separation occurs because their densities and weights differ significantly. As a result, the solder paste tends to float on the upper layer, while the solder particles settle at the bottom. Consequently, the soldering performance will be less effective during the welding process. Therefore, it is recommended to stir the solder paste thoroughly before use. This way, the solder paste will mix better during soldering. It is recommended to re-stir the solder paste before use if it has been stored for 1 day or more. It is recommended that solder paste be stored in a location away from sunlight or high temperatures to ensure better stability.